James Robart is the United States District Judge in Washington State that blocked President Donald Trump's executive order pausing immigration from 7 countries known for exporting Islamic violence. But the judge did so without legal explanation, citing case precedent, or even a valid legal argument. His decision was purely based on his opinion that Washington State will more than likely win their lawsuit against the president. Justice Department attorneys have responded to the judge and the state's arguments with more than just opinion. They've provided ironclad legal arguments that dismantles the state's case point by point. For starters, Robart's interference with the executive branch violates constitutional separation of powers. It is not the job of a judge to second-guess the President of the United States working through constitutional and legal authority. The President is privy to intelligence information and receives daily briefs about threats to national security. A boneheaded liberal judge out on the left coast is completely ignorant of this information and ill-equipped to change the president's policy from his bench. The state of Washington also argued that the president's executive order would hurt local companies like Microsoft, Starbucks, and others that hire illegal aliens. The Justice Department again responded with a legal argument that basically says a private company's hiring policies have no bearing on the law. The law is the law and it must be followed. They also quoted case precedent specific to immigration and noted that the Supreme Court has, quote, long recognized the power to expel or exclude aliens as a fundamental sovereign attribute exercised by the government's political departments largely immune from judicial control, unquote. Finally, they argued the fact that citizens of foreign countries do not have U.S. constitutionally guaranteed rights. In his decision, Judge Robart made no effort to confront the law. His arguments are purely opinion. The state's case hinges on what they claim are comments by Trump during the campaign that demonstrate a bias against Islam and toward Christianity. President Trump is acting within his authority on immigration in the interest of national security, and neither the state of Washington nor Judge Robart has the right to try to discern his motives.
Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and donate at theraywarnershow.com.